Hello everyone, welcome back to Thrive Talk English. I'm Anaya. Today's video is going to be different because today I'm giving you a 30-day challenge. A challenge that can change the way you speak English forever. In this video, I will show you step by step what you need to do every single day to become confident in English. And I won't just tell you what to do. I will explain why each step is important and how it will actually make you fluent naturally. So you don't feel confused anymore. You don't feel stuck anymore. You finally start speaking. And here's my challenge for you. If you truly follow these steps for the next 30 days, I can promise you this. You will start speaking English with confidence. Not just understanding, not just learning, but actually speaking. So don't skip this video. This might be the turning point of your English journey. So now, let's begin this journey together. And remember, don't try to do everything perfectly. Just follow each step one by one every single day. Because confidence doesn't come in one day. It builds slowly with the right actions. So let's start with the first and most important step. Step 1. Listening. Start listening to English every single day. This is the foundation of your confidence. You can listen to podcasts, you can watch YouTube videos, you can listen to simple English conversations. You don't need a fixed long time whenever you get a free moment. Just take out a little time for listening. Maybe while resting, maybe between your daily work, and listen carefully. You don't need to understand everything. Even if you understand only 50%, your brain is still learning. Because your brain learns language through sound first. You start noticing how words are pronounced, how sentences flow, how real people actually speak. This is very important because when you listen daily, your brain becomes comfortable with English. And slowly, that fear starts to disappear. You begin to feel, I can understand a little. And that small feeling is the beginning of confidence. So now, let's go one step deeper. Step 2. Listen with subtitles. Now don't just listen. Start watching with subtitles. As you watch, the words will appear on your screen and you follow them with your eyes. So now 3 things are happening together. You hear the word, you see the word, you read the word. Because your brain starts connecting sound with spelling and word with meaning. This makes your learning faster and stronger. You don't just hear English anymore. You start recognizing it. And slowly, you begin to understand more, even without trying too hard. This is very powerful because now your brain is not confused. It clearly understands what you are hearing and what you are seeing. So your confidence grows again. Now take your learning one step further. Step 3. Pause and do shadowing. Don't just watch. Don't just listen. Pause the video and repeat what you hear. Listen to one sentence and say it exactly the same way. Don't translate. Don't think too much. Just copy the sound like an echo. At first, it may feel difficult. That's completely normal. But this step is very important because most learners understand English, but when they try to speak, their mind goes blank. Why does this happen? Because their brain and mouth are not trained together. Shadowing fixes this problem. It connects your listening with your speaking. It trains your tongue to move naturally in English. And slowly, you start speaking faster, clearer, and more smoothly. Your pronunciation improves. Your rhythm improves. Your confidence improves. And one day, you will notice something amazing. You are not thinking too much anymore. You are just speaking. And that is real progress. Step 4. Now let's make English part of your daily life. Don't keep English only for study time. Bring it into your daily routine. Change your phone language to English. Write your to-do list in English. Use small English words in your day. Even when you are thinking, try to think in simple English. These are small actions, but they have a big impact because now English is not just something you study, it becomes something you live with. You are not forcing yourself anymore. You are naturally using it. And when English becomes part of your life, it starts to feel natural, not difficult, not scary. And when English starts to feel normal, not something difficult, that's when you're ready for the next step. Step 5. Record your voice. Now it's time to start speaking, but without fear, without pressure. You don't need anyone in front of you. Just take your phone and record your voice. Start with something simple. Talk about your day. Talk about what you did or what you are feeling. Don't worry about mistakes. This is not for anyone else. This is for you. Because when you record yourself, you start hearing your own English. And this is very powerful. You notice where you are stuck, which words feel difficult, and slowly you start improving. Day by day, your voice becomes clearer. Your confidence becomes stronger. And as you start speaking more, there's one more powerful habit that will make your English even stronger. Step 6. Journaling before sleep. Before you go to sleep, take a notebook or your phone and write about your day. What did you do today? What did you feel? What did you learn? Write in short, simple sentences. Today I was busy. I talked with my friend. I watched an English video. You can write like this as much as you want. Just express your day in your own way. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need long paragraphs. Just write honestly. Because this step has a powerful benefit. When you write like this every day, you start building your own sentences. You are not copying anymore. You are thinking and expressing in English. And this is real improvement. Also, when you write at night, your brain reviews the whole day. So English stays longer in your memory. And slowly, your thinking becomes clearer. Your sentence formation becomes easier. And one day, you won't need to think too much. English will come naturally. And you will feel, I can express my life in English. Because consistency is what builds real confidence. So, for the next 30 days, trust this process. Don't overthink. Just follow the steps again and again. And after 30 days, you will notice something powerful. You won't be forcing yourself anymore. You will start thinking in English. You will start speaking more naturally. And slowly, you won't just learn English. You will start living in English. English will become a part of your life, not something you study, but something you use every day. And that is your real transformation. So if this video helped you, even a little, then please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. Because I'm here to help you every single day. Thank you so much for watching, and keep learning, keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, because your fluent English journey starts now.